Today I'm going to be showing you my easy do-it-yourself welding cart build. So I used a hand truck I bought from my local Bellatates to hold this AC 225 that I got from my local Lowe's, and it was pretty simple design. So this hand truck I bought for like 60 bucks, and it's got these pieces of strapping that hold the frame together. So I got an identical piece of strapping and weaved it in and then wrapped it all the way around. Got the chain in the front so you can take it in and out of the, you can take it out of the cart if you want to, and goes all the way around to the other side. So I did a tack weld on the top here, tack weld on the bottom, and then I drilled there and did a plug weld. Got a little bit of slag ball junior going on, but I'm cool with it. It's very strong, and yeah, I like it. It's a pretty simple design. This piece of strapping in the front here is the only thing holding the welder to the cart besides the plate on the bottom, but it holds it surprisingly very solid, so I'm happy with it. And yeah, it was a pretty easy design to do. Didn't really have to do much welding, and turned out very good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, all local hardware parts stores, hardware store parts, painted it Rust-Oleum Hunter Green. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. It's a good, easy, cost-effective design for just carrying a welding cart around. Probably did it for about between 100 and 200 bucks, because the cart itself was like 60, and I had to get some 7018s and the chain and the paint, but not expensive really. Can probably get it done for less. And yeah, I definitely recommend it. Let's take a look at how this thing wheels around. Sorry, my cap is dangling. The only piece of advice is, because like the weight's kind of tipped over, you gotta be really gentle when you let it down so you don't slam your welder. But yeah, holds it nice and solid. Shifts a little bit, but it doesn't fall off of the welding cart. That's what we're after. So, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.